Hello guys, so in this short video I'll be showcasing the new serialization and deserialization system I've implemented in my Unity Voxel Terrain generator. So what it allows me to do is basically save and load modifications that I've applied to terrain and terrain props at runtime. So to showcase this, I can just modify the terrain over here. I can dig, I can flatten it, I can destroy it, and these edits will not be saved across instances, so what I can do is I can press the V button, which will save them to a file on disk, and then I can leave the world, reload the game. This will generate a completely new instance, and currently I haven't implemented auto-loading the save file when you load back into the game, but what I can do is manually load it by pressing the B button, which will load my changes back into memory and apply them automatically. And then what I can do is continue applying modification to the terrain as if nothing happened. And how I implemented this is by keeping track of all these modifications in memory and using the Unity netcode INetworkSerializable interface to serialize the whole modification octree at runtime. And this doesn't only apply to voxel edits, it also applies to terrain props as well. So I can come over here, modify these terrain props since these are the game object ones. So for example, I can select all of these if I want to. Not the chunks though. Shouldn't select the chunks. So I'll go over here, deselect the chunks, and for example, I could just delete these completely. I can save the world again. So as you can see, after I loaded the new instance, the trees are back to where they were, and I can come over here to my player, press B, and load the saved file. And after everything loads back in, you can see that the trees that I've deleted are truly gone, and there's no way to respawn them since they're gone in memory. What this also allows me to do is modify the props directly and not necessarily delete them. So I can come over here. I have this default serializable props script, which contains a simple integer field. I can modify the default value of 20 to -2000 and tick the was modified tab checkbox, and then this will automatically serialize it to memory whenever I save it. So I can go over here, save the file again, reload back into the game. As I said, it doesn't automatically load it, so I just have to press B. This will load the modifications from memory, as you can see by these terrain modifications. Come over here to my modified trees, which were these ones, and as you can see, the value is truly set to -2000. So there is proper serialization and deserialization of props, and this also applies to billboarded props. So if the player were to get away from these deleted props that I've deleted, if they were to get very far away and load them as billboards, you can see that the billboards themselves are gone and they're not here no more. Even though the player can get close to them, it won't load them back in. So I also keep tab of the modifications on the GPU as well through a bit array. Thank you for watching.